Well, everyone, as you can see, they got benches all the way along the trail. Right now, just beyond these trees is the actual new Hogan Dam. You can't really see it though. The brush is so thick, but we're probably only a couple 100 feet from it. See, if you look over there beyond the trees, there it is. Anyway, we'll see if we can get a better view of it. We're going down towards the river, it looks like. And with that, we finished the hike. It was only a 1 mile hike. It took about 45 minutes, honestly, but I took a couple stops, so it probably would have only taken about 35 or maybe even 25 minutes to do this 1 mile loop hike. You can see there's new Hogan Dam right there, or a piece of it. Once again, the River of Skulls Nature Trail at New Hogan Dam.